We want a situation where we do our business, there won't be any problem. We care for the people of this country, and at the same time, understand what the government is doing.
You have to be loud. Maybe you don't use petrol. No, just young one.
You know my voice. IPMAN, we have a meeting today, and the meeting centered on how we do our business and how the economy is affecting us. But we want to do our business in a way that the government will have his way, we too will have our own business, and there won't be any problem. We appeal to the government to make sure that in the petroleum sector, things are being done well after the removal of the oil subsidy. Well, the government should at least listen to the NLC and make sure that the request they are making, they look into it a little bit so that it will help us, because incessant strike will not help the economy, and the government has to do something about that. And on the refineries and the depots, the government should try as much as possible to make sure that the refineries are put in place and they are working. That will help us in this country, because importation under the regulation or removal of subsidy is not easy. It's not going to augur well, even to the businessmen who are marketers and even to the public who are our people. Then again, the government should look into retail, NNPC retail, because NNPC retail is giving a lot of problems to independent marketers at the various depots where they are loading. They have even said that by on the 10th of March, 2024, they are going to remove marketers that don't have licenses and that didn't renew their licenses. Renewal of licenses depends on when you have your tax clearance. And some of these marketers, their annual returns are around that March ending. And as such, they can procure a federal inland revenue tax clearance to meet up that deadline. So the government should look into it if probably they don't want to, encourage some sort of petroleum product scarcity. Then thirdly, the government too should look into NMDPRA. We have a lot of bridging claims which is pending in NMDPRA. NMDPRA is getting money from NNPC. And NNPC is a limited liability company now. They have declared their profit. They have done their annual returns. So we expect that the money is with NMDPRA. So they should as well make sure that marketers are being remitted with their money. We have about 9 months into this deregulation, and up till now they are always reconciling. For how many times will they continue reconciling an account? Independent marketers pay cash, so they're supposed to give us our PEF immediately. They got the bills and it's certified that it's okay. So the government should look at that one too. Then secondly, on this incessant increase in tariffs, NNDPRA is very funny of increasing tariff. It will discourage a lot of marketers who really want to come into the business. Because when you increase tariff today, tomorrow you come back again and increase tariff. So they should find something to it. And the one they have increased, they should call marketers, stakeholders, to discuss on it. Because if not so, when stakeholders don't, cannot afford it, it will return to having the scarcity of products. So that is the appeal I'm appealing to the government, and they should please do something about that. That is the essence of our meeting today. You see, it's only in this country that you have the supplier, the provider, at the same time as a retailer. It doesn't happen in some other countries. because NNPC Retail is a limited company, like we independent marketers are. More our members are independent marketers. When NNPC want to go into limited, they're supposed not to put us under NNPC Retail because they are our competitor. Even who knows whether they have been taking our product and selling it. Because when our product comes to them, you hardly get it. You hardly get it. So what is happening? So they are our competitor, and at the same time, our supplier is only in Nigeria that you can see that type of things. And regulator. You see, what I think is that the present government probably they don't know the essence of IPMAN. Because IPMAN was established to make sure that product distribution go around the whole country. In those days, it's only the major marketers, and they don't go to the villages. We go there. We have been called upon several times to do the yeoman's job. That is carry product from where it's scarce to where it's not scarce. We, as a body, can do a lot for the government. And some of the things we can do is that we want to go back to our essence of establishment, where the government find it necessary to deal with us. So the government should come to us. We should deal with the government. They should always have some sort of talk with us so that we will give them the way we can assist them. We can assist them in the distribution. Scarcity is not our fault. It's coming from NNPC. If there is no supply, where do you get products? If they bring product and they give us, we can distribute. We have almost 80% of the market in this country. So definitely the government can be having direct dealing with us. And most of these scarcity at times may not probably occur, but they're supposed to be giving us products the way we want it. We have a lot of tickets that are hanging. Some of them will stay for 3 months, 6 months. They can't get it. Some of them will have problem 2 years. It's not solved by retail, NNPC Retail. So in that wise, how do you go about it? So the government can deal with us, and we can as well do more to assist the government.
I think finally, sorry, I just wanted to speak about this forex issue.
Oh, the forex issue is affecting everybody in this country. It's not only IPMAN. The product that we're supposed to sell, we don't have margin. We don't have margin on products because all the products are imported. And if they are imported, what do? The margin they give us is very small. We consider transportation. Everything is going high now. Diesel, as of today, is about 1,700 Naira in the market. And how much do you now carry product from Lagos to Abuja? The last time the NATO and the stakeholder were there to discuss, they said we should discuss to our members. So the forex is affecting everybody. It's not even only IPMAN alone. So it's affecting everybody in this country.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.